buy a Mercedes, they said. It'll be fun, they said. So that's my 203 that I've been busy doing an engine swap on for the past 6 months. And this is my mom's C220 CDI that does not want to start. Yep, it's dead. Anyway, welcome to another video. So this is not the first time this has happened. This is actually my parents' second 204 C220 CDI. The first one, my dad kinda crashed. That also had a starter fail once in the lifetime, and I think they owned it for not even 2 years. Then they bought this one, and about 2 years ago the starter failed and did the same as now, just it's dead, doesn't want to start up. So we got this one towed in, hired a truck or a low bed to get it to a mechanic. The mechanic changed out the starter and now it has a problem again. So last night I connected my WD2 scanner to it, got the P0685 code, something about the ECU or something, the relay. But I went ahead and changed out all the relays, checked all the fuses, can't seem to find any problems there, so I can try and remove the starter myself. Unfortunately, it's not as easy as the W203. This one has the ohm 651 engine, diesel engine, so the starter is on the exhaust manifold side, the turbo side. There's a few things I have to remove, so it's not just as easy as getting to it and taking it off. So I want to remove it and get it tested. 3, 2, 1.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this,
I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate.
Again, let's see if it miraculously fixed itself. What the hell? What the hell? What? Okay, I didn't catch that on camera, but when I moved this plug, I heard kind of like a short noise. So I think the problem might be over here. So let me have a look what I can see. Yeah, so it's definitely the plug on the ECU that's a bit loose or doesn't make a proper connection. But car's fixed. Just wasted a whole day for nothing. Absolutely nothing. Now remember why I don't work on this car. Everything is such a hassle. Every bolt, everything. The space is so limited up under the hood. I just hate working on this car. But, oh well, it's fixed. The problem was so obvious. Can't believe I just wasted my whole